Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp not working problem solve. So guys, basically WhatsApp is down right now. So if you want to fix this, what you have to do is that you have to go to settings on your device, scroll down and then go to apps. After going to apps, here this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to click on app management and then hold on for some time. Now here you have to search for WhatsApp. So I have to go downward and here you can see WhatsApp. Simply click on WhatsApp and then click force stop. After that, click on storage usage and then clear the data. Okay, after doing this you have to go to Play Store and then here you have to search for WhatsApp and then make sure to update your WhatsApp messenger. So guys, if it is not working again, then what you need to do is that you have to wait for some time. It's a bug on WhatsApp. You have to at least wait for some hours. It will automatically fix. Engineers are working for to fix the problem. So thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.